Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be our MRS21 Fall 2021 Quiz Number 2 Review, Part 3, the third and final question you'll probably have on your quiz. Now, of course, this will not be the exact question. It'll be a question very close to it, no, just like the other two were not exact questions will be on the quiz, but questions very close to it, though. Here, we have learned about something called the greatest common factor. All right, and factoring really want to do is you want to really write this as instead of two things that are adding each other, but you will end up with two things that are multiplying each other. So in the end, it has to look like something times something else. Okay? Now, how do we do this now? Well, our first step is to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor. That will go here. Then, so let's actually find this step. So we're comparing, in this case, the numbers. So we're looking for the large number divides evenly into both 9 and 15. So our GCF looks like the biggest number divides into both 9 and 15 will be 3. But we're not done yet, though. We're not done yet because we're looking for the variables too. And for finding the greatest common factor, the idea is that when you have variables involved too, between two of the same variable, the GCF will always be the one with the smaller exponent. So in this case, between x squared and x cubed, it will be x squared. Okay? So again, you're looking at each of these kind of piece by piece. First, we did the numbers. Then we looked at the x's. And then now we look at the y's. All right? And some of you will be able to do these very quickly over time, but for those of you who are struggling with what is the GCF? Well, again, the GCF will be the large number divides evenly to every single term of the polynomial. And so it's not just a number or just one letter, it's all the combination of number of letters multiplying each other. Okay, and so in this case, we have, for again, the small variable between x squared and x cubed is x squared, and the smaller variable between y cubed and y squared will be y squared. So our GCF will be 3x squared y squared. Okay, now we want to find out the next thing is the quotient, meaning in this case, you're going to take each term, 9x squared y cubed, and 15x cubed y squared, and divide each one by the GCF. And this kind of goes back to our dividing polynomials by a monomial. That's why that technique was super important. Okay, so when we divide 9 by the 9 by 3, we get 3, and x squared over x squared is 1. And y to the third over y squared is just y to the first power. Remember in this case, ladies and gentlemen, that whenever we have whenever we are dividing a number by a variable by itself, in this case, it's the variable is the same variable. We keep the variable the same and subtract exponents. Okay. Now x squared over x squared, any number divided by itself except for 0 is equal to 1. So now we get to 3y for the first one. Okay. 15 divided by 3 is 5. X to the third over x squared is x to the first. And y squared over y squared is 1. All right, so that means in this case that we're going to have 3y plus 5x as our quotient, leftover in this case. And this will be the answer we have as our factored form. So GCF, and this will be the quotient. So the GCF of the quotient after you divide everything by GCF is going to be the factored form. And so that's our answer. Now, how do we know this works out? Well, we could, in this case, multiply 3x squared y squared by 3y plus 5x. And we distribute, we get 3 times 3 is 9, x squared, y squared times y is y to the third, plus, multiply the 3 times the x squared y squared times 5x, 15x to the third, because x squared times x cubed, times y squared. And this here is going back to the original problem, original expression, because the factored form should have the same exact value as the original. It's just written in a form where you have something multiplied by something else. Okay, and that's will be the last question on our quiz. I hope this was helpful, everybody. And get a chance to watch it again. Leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. And share it with those who might have the similar issues in this case. If you like these videos, please let me know if you want more content. Like, hey, can you do a video on this particular topic, something else very similar or something a little different? No. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for watching. A reminder in this case, every comment or you leave a question or comment in the comment section below, for all people who are subscribed, will in this case mean you'll have an extra entry into our free giveaway of a Funko Pop, Lion Friends Brown Bear Funko Pop doll. But you have to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the section. Leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, and probably gonna close it out sometime in December, and I gotta go through all the things and see how many entries there are or not. So, but I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys hope this really helps you for your quiz and all. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and be safe.